this song, you're gonna guess what the different construction vehicle is, and then we'll sing you a song.
So what is this first one? Looks like a road roller. Hello, road roller. You run hot tar over. Flat, 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 flat. Flat, 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 flat.
All right, what's this next one?
That's right. It's a bucket truck. Hello, big bucket truck. You lift workers way up. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up.
Great, you ready for the next one? What's that one? Is it an excavator?
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
but
can also call it a digger.
that's right.
Hello, yellow digger. You make holes bigger. Dig, 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 dig. Dig, 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 dig.
All right, let's see, what's the next one?
Is it a? That's right. It's a cement truck or a cement mixer. Hello, cement mixer. You're a sidewalk fixer. Mix, 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 pour, 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 pour. Mix, 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 pour, 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 pour.
All right, the last one. What's that one called?
Yeah.
A bulldozer.
That's right. Hello, bulldozer. You push things over. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push.